Hi there. Are you cold and you want to be hot? I mean, literally hot. You've come to the right place. I'm gonna be showing you some outfits that are perfect for the winter weather. First thing is you have to layer. So I'm wearing this Uniqlo Heattech shirt. They also have Heattech leggings, but I don't have it with me, so I'm just wearing my Calvin Klein leggings. For my pants, I like wearing something baggy because my leggings are already tight. If your pants are loose, you can wear a pin waist tightener and it's a game changer. It's not that expensive too. These pants are thrifted, by the way. If you haven't watched my thrifting video, go watch it because I got some good finds. Second layer is my baseball tee because you can just wear it with anything. It's just so casual, and I'm wearing it with this New York Yankees quarter zip sweater. I love the small details. I think it looks cute. This sweater is actually really warm, especially with the Heattech underneath. Pairing it with these pants is just perfection because you can look cute while staying comfortable. This outfit is perfect for school, or if you just want to chill somewhere like the library or a coffee shop, or even just that corner of your room where you stare at nothing and question your life choices. If you want to make it look like you tried but not really tried, then pair it with a hat that has the same logo. It's giving I put thought into this, but also I didn't. So for most of the outfits I'm showing you, my baseball tee would be my base layer. No pun intended. Do you get it though? Baseball tee, base layer? No? Okay. Anyway, don't be afraid to layer up. So now I'm wearing this Alaska brown t-shirt so I can play with the brown color even more. It's like I'm trying to be one with nature but make it trendy. Oh my god. Or like trendy. Like a tree. Trendy. Yeah. This is just me saying that you shouldn't be afraid of matching colors. Life's too short to not wear every shade of brown. It's okay to look like a chocolate bar. You're delicious and stylish. I always wear black puffer jackets, so now I'm changing it up a little bit, and now I'm wearing brown. I am evolving and growing like a beautiful tree. If it gets really cold, like your ex, zip up your jacket or snap it closed. Like that chapter is closed. Wait, what am I talking about? And if it's starting to get warm, you can just be like Superman or Supergirl or Superdog or whatever you are. I support you. Also, if your clothes are starting to look bulky and you don't want to look like a cozy marshmallow, make sure your undergarments are tightly tucked in. And yeah, this is a technique I've been doing for a day now. I just did it right now, so try it out. Now I look kind of snatched, and I also want to show you guys another technique that I do. It's not really a technique, but I call this my signature slant. I just like it when my t-shirt is slightly slanted because I really love the messy look. Now I'm gonna wear these jeans with stripes to give it some edge. Small details in jeans, just like these stripes, can totally elevate your outfit. Whether it's a subtle embroidery, unique stitching, or a funky zipper, these little touches can take your look from basic to stand out. It's like adding a bit of personality to your pants because sometimes it's the small things that make the biggest impact. Aww. To balance it out, I'm just wearing a plain black sweatshirt from Muji, I think. If this isn't warm enough for you, consider adding a collared scarf. Psychologically, bright colors like red or yellow can boost mood and energy, while cooler tones like blue or green can promote calmness and focus. The right color can complement your overall look and even enhance your emotional state for the day. If you're feeling boyish and casual, wear a matching colored cap. It adds a cool, laid-back vibe to your outfit while keeping things effortless and stylish. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shades. A neutral cap works with almost anything, but a bold, vibrant cap can make your outfit pop. If you're feeling more girly or feminine, throw on a matching colored hair tie or ribbon. Suddenly, you're not just a person, you're a present or gift to the world.
Wow, man.
You're gonna save so much money because you don't have to buy a gift for anyone.
That's amazing.
Because the gift is you. Sorry guys, but my entire personality changes based on my outfit. And my hair. And my mood. And if I ate breakfast that day, you know what? Never mind. I actually have a fashion hack for you that I've been doing for quite a while now, but you can use your scarf as a face mask if it gets really cold outside. But honestly, this is what I want to do most of the time when I see someone I know in public. If I'm wearing my headphones, that just means don't talk to me, but if that doesn't work, I'm sure that would do the trick. If you're still cold, you can wear a leather jacket and you will instantly look too cool for school, but not feeling cool because of the weather, because you feel hot. Well, that was confusing. But the point is, you look cool, but you're warm because you're hot, because you're wearing enough layers.
Interesting.
Feel free to wear your eyeglasses if you need one. It's not nerdy, I swear. It's practical. Being stylish is way easier when you can actually see. You have to be able to look at yourself in the mirror and be like, who is she? Oh wait, that's me. Because I can see. If you want to look sporty, wear pants with interesting patterns or designs. It's up to you whether you want to go all out or something as simple as stripes will do just fine. By the way, I just created an Instagram account, so it would be really nice if you can follow me there because I only have 6 followers. Yes, 6 followers, which thank you for the 6 people who followed me, but I'm starting to look like a spam account, so follow me there so I can have like maybe 20 followers. If your aesthetic is coquette, pastel pink, bubblegum pink, glam pink, Y2K pink, princess core, ballet core, Barbie core, candy core, kawaii, e-girl pink, romantic pink, peachy pink, retro pink, or whatever pink, just layer pink on pink. It's cute. There are no rules when it comes to fashion, but layering color on color is a strategic way to create depth and visual harmony in your outfit. I'm out here serving confidence, but my shoulders look like they're auditioning for the role of a question mark.
Hey, what is that? Microphone? Like legit?
I really need to fix my posture, you guys. Bottom line is, when playing with proportions, the key is confidence. If you feel good in what you're wearing, that energy will shine through and make any combination work. For the last outfit, I'm wearing my beloved dark washed baggy jeans. Dark washed jeans give you a solid base to mix and match, so you can make it as casual or polished as you like. And I'm pairing it with my trench coat, which I also thrifted. Do you guys know the meme? Trench coat button to the top. Like, I'm gonna show you. It's so funny.
Don't walk around Soho looking this crazy. Trench coat button to the top and these ballerina ass slippers. What's going on? I don't know if she was coked out or what.
The full audio was so funny, and that's actually what inspired this outfit. And once again, I am doing my signature slant. Comment signature slant if you've made it this far. I feel like I do it because I don't want to be obsessed with perfection. Opt for a fitted trench coat that cinches at the waist to highlight your shape, or go for a relaxed fit if you prefer a more casual vibe. Either way, it adds structure to your outfit. Oh my gosh, my tummy just growled. I think I'm hungry. If this is too plain for you and you want to add more, just accessorize. So I'm gonna wear this with my earmuffs, which I'm gonna be showing you guys later. Earmuffs add an extra layer of personality to the look, plus they're functional when it's chilly. Dark washed jeans with a trench coat and earmuffs will keep you cozy and classy all at the same time. You've made it to the end of the video. Thank you for listening to me. Let me know if you want me to upload more videos like this. It's low-key my dream to be a full-time YouTuber. I know it sounds funny, but yeah, you can make my dream possible by subscribing, liking, or watching my other videos, like my thrifting video. If you want to, of course, no pressure. But yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate you.